Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder to take breaks on Instagram using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And then just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. So now just go ahead and click on the menu button or the three little lines on the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. So now you should see 8 times spent option. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here you can see set the reminder to take breaks. So schedule reminder to take regular breaks from scrolling. So here you can go ahead and choose any duration that you want. You can have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. So for example, you want 30 minutes, just go ahead and click on the circle and click on turn on. So that is how you do it. So if you want to turn that off, again, just go ahead and go to the menu button and go to Settings and Privacy, Time Spent, Set Reminder to Take Breaks, and click Turn Reminders Off and click Done. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.